Welcome to my channel Technology Dive. In this episode of MuleSoft Learning Series, we will learn what is integration, what is MuleSoft, MuleSoft Journey, MuleSoft Planes and Key Components, MuleSoft Anypoint Studio and Anypoint Platform. We will also see a demo on how to download and set up Anypoint Studio and also how to sign up to the Anypoint platform. What is integration? Why we need integration? Integration means connecting one or more application or systems with each other for sharing the business data and processes. Now think about an organization which has multiple applications or software for storing and processing of business data. For example, they have Salesforce for customer relationship management, SAP for enterprise resource planning, Oracle as a database, web portal or a mobile application for receiving orders from the customer. Now some point of time you might need to integrate these applications with each other for a common business goal. For example, you might be receiving orders from web portal or a mobile application and storing them into SAP. Now what is middleware or integration platform? It is a software which integrates two or more applications for a common business goal and act as a mediator between both the applications. There are various integration platforms available in market like Legacy Integration Platform, Microsoft BizTalk Server, TIBCO, WebMethod, IBM Integration Bus, and some of the modern integration platforms like Dell Boomi, MuleSoft, and Azure Integration Services. Integration could be A to A, application to application, which means integrating two applications within organization. B to B, business to business, which means one business partner integrating its application with other business partners' application. Cloud integration, which means integrating two cloud applications like Salesforce integrating with SuccessFactors or Workday. MuleSoft got its name from drudgery or donkey. Basically, donkey is a combination of donkeys and hybrid horses. Donkeys can pull heavy workload and horses can run fast. So MuleSoft has chosen this name to show its platform capacity where MuleSoft can handle heavy workload and also process and develop APIs at lightning speed by developing reusable APIs. MuleSoft is an integration platform that enables businesses to connect data, applications, and devices across on-premises and cloud computing environment. MuleSoft platform called Anypoint platform, which includes various tools for develop, manage, and test application programming interfaces, APIs, and integrations. Mule is a lightweighted enterprise service bus. It is a Java-based platform which allows developer to connect quickly and easily using various inbuilt connectors like JMS, HTTP, SAP. It can transform the data easily using its DataWeave language. It can orchestrate, enhance, route this data. It can also connect to any other platform and API like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and many more. As its runtime engine is lightweighted, so it can be deployed anywhere on premises, cloud, or even on the edge devices. Now let's see MuleSoft journey. In 2006, with the mission to eliminate the point-to-point integration code, MuleSoft was founded with offering of MuleSoft runtime engine for connecting enterprise applications. In 2008, MuleSoft was focusing on developer productivity. MuleSoft released Anypoint Studio, which is a Java-based design environment that use drag and drop interface to accelerate the development. In 2009, MuleSoft was focusing on moving to the cloud. Cloud Hub was launched to further simplify the deployment and management of the application in the cloud. In 2013, addressing the additional needs of the integration developers, Cloud Hub evolves into Anypoint platform, a complete platform for designing, reusing, and managing the integrations and APIs. 2016, expanding into the global market and industries dictates a set of additional requirements for MuleSoft for addressing compliance while strengthening security MuleSoft introduced different deployment options for runtime and control plane. In 2018, Salesforce acquired MuleSoft. Now let's see MuleSoft plane. MuleSoft offering and the services are divided into two planes. One is control plane, another is runtime plane. MuleSoft Anypoint Platform control plane provide a set of cloud services that simplify the design, reuse, and management of integrations and API. Control plane cloud services are available in multi-tenant environment of Anypoint Platform in US region as well as in Europe region. US hosted multi-tenant version of Anypoint Platform provides extensive list of features and services which are focused on design, reuse, management and security of your integrations and API, which also offers out-of-box compliance like ISO 27001, PCI DSS and HIPAA. Europe hosted multi-tenant version of Anypoint Platform designed for European customers. It is a GDPR compliant and ensuring that all personal data of European citizen is stored and processed within European boundaries. Government Cloud, which is another version of Anypoint Platform, which is specially designed for US government and authorized government agencies. We can also have Private Cloud Edition, which is a single tenant version of Anypoint Platform, offers full control of integration lifecycle within your own data center. Anypoint Design Center is a GUI based tool which allows developer to build connectors, implement data and application flows, and also it simplifies API design, reuse and testing. Anypoint Management Center, a single GUI based tool to administer all the Anypoint platform both on premises and in the cloud. It manages APIs and users, analyze traffic and also monitor SLAs. MuleSoft Anypoint Exchange, it is a marketplace for connectors, templates, examples and APIs. Developer can discover and use pre-built assets from MuleSoft ecosystem or use Exchange to save, share and reuse the internal best practices. Point runtime plane is where applications are deployed and also where Mule runtime engine and other application related services such as Anypoint connector runs. The runtime engine includes Anypoint security edge policies and tokenizations, MQ and object store and connectors. To deploy your applications and API via runtime plane, there are three options: Cloud Hub, Anypoint Runtime Fabric or on-premise Mule runtime. MuleSoft also offers one-click scalability and automatic updates. You can host your MuleSoft runtime on-premise server or on a private cloud server. You can also have hybrid runtime setup, which is a combination of on-premise server and a private cloud server. You can also have an option to set up runtime on MuleSoft hosted cloud server or choose from cloud providers like AWS, Azure and Cloud Foundry. Now let's see various components of MuleSoft. Cloud Hub. It is known as multi-tenant integration platform like iPaaS, integration platform as a service. In this way, the Cloud Hub gives managed service, which implies it is a development group that does not need to install or operate. Monitoring. Monitoring is a dashboard that helps you to monitor application. Visualizer. Visualizer is known as graphical instrument to explore the API and it is equal to real time. Designer. Designer is a GUI based tool where you can create a new application. You can import your existing application or you can also create a API specification RAML and also you can create a API fragments. Exchange is a home to a complete listing of resources such as connector, templates, example, API and API specification fragments and much more. Exchange provides us benefit of being able to share, discover and incorporate assets and resources into our integration and application. We can create API developer portal, view and test our APIs, simulate data to API, which is also called as a mocking services. Time manager allow us to run, deploy and manage our deployed application from a central location, whether they are running in Cloud Hub or on premises or on runtime fabric. Connectors are known as set of built-in connectors that developer use to integrate applications. API Manager is the component of Anypoint platform that helps in managing the API for an organization. API Manager help us to apply different policies to our APIs that limits its use and secure it from external users. Analytics Anytime is an examination tool used for measurement of API performance. Developer can utilize this tool to design dashboards and chart to see the API performance and to perceive the primary cause of performance issue. Anypoint Studio. MuleSoft Anypoint Studio is a user-friendly IDE integration development environment used for designing and testing Mule application. It is an Eclipse-based IDE. We can usually drag connectors from the Mule palette. In other words, Anypoint Studio is an Eclipse-based IDE for development of flows and integrations. Now let's see a demo on how to access all these components using Anypoint platform. Now let's see how to sign up to Anypoint platform. On a browser, just type Anypoint platform login and click on the link anypoint.mulesoft.com/login. You have to click on sign up option over here. You have to provide your full name, email address, phone number, company, username, password and click on option I am not a robot and also accept the terms and condition. This will allow you a 30 days access to a trial version of Anypoint platform. You can now log in using recently created username and password, which will land you on the home page of Anypoint platform. Now click on sidebar menu and click on Design Center. Click on Create New. This will give you option to create a new application, import application, create a API specification, create fragment. Now click again on sidebar menu and click on Exchange. You can see various assets over here. Currently I don't have any asset. Click on provided by MuleSoft. You can see various assets provided by the MuleSoft. You can reuse those assets in your integration or API development. You can filter them. You can see connector, templates, example, policies. Various type of assets are available over here. So I am filtering based on connectors. You can see various connectors available over here. You can see here Salesforce connector for Mule 4, Azure Service Bus connector, so various connector you can see over here. You can filter various different assets which are available. Now you can click on public portal. I don't have any API published, but you can publish your API once you create that API, which will be access to your business partner development team, and your internal development team also can see the API specifications. Now click on my application. Currently I don't have any application deployed. Click on sidebar menu again and click on Management Center Access Management. You can see here users, roles. So you can create user roles over here. You can have option for runtime manager. You can see expiration of your account. You can see production, sandboxes, vcode, design, static IP, VPC, load balancer, all the details you can see. Now click on sidebar menu again and click on runtime manager. You can see you have only two environments by default, that is design and sandbox, but in real time you might have more environments. Currently no applications, no servers are there, so all is empty. Now you can go again sidebar menu and click on visualizer. This will provide you real-time visualization of your APIs. You can see visualization of production and sandbox environment. Now click on sidebar menu again and click on monitoring. Here you can monitor your integrations or APIs. Click on sidebar menu secret manager. You can store your secrets over here. Click on sidebar menu and click on Anypoint Platform. You are on the again on the home page. You can do all the things which I have shown you from here directly also. You can download Anypoint Studio from here. Now let's move and see how to download Anypoint Studio. For downloading Anypoint Studio, open a browser window and search for download MuleSoft Anypoint Studio. Click on the URL mulesoft.com/lp/dl/studio, and you have to fill all these information, and the account is valid for 30 days free trial. Select the operating system, first name, last name, email address, company, your title and your phone number, and accept the terms and condition and click on download. Choose the appropriate OS and fill the information and click on download, and you might get a warning. Just click on keep. It will download the Anypoint Studio. Now you can keep this file in some location where you can easily access it. Now you can unzip the file and keep the extract in some location. So once the file is extracted inside the Anypoint Studio folder, you can see the application and different folders over there. Still extracting it. Now the extraction is completed. You can see Anypoint Studio applications and various folders inside the folder, extracted folder. Again, go to the browser and search for download Java 8. Go on the official website of oracle.com/java and download the Java SE version 8 based on your machine type, whether 64-bit or 32-bit, and the host OS. I'm having 64-bit machine. If you have 32-bit, just download x86. So once Java 8 is downloaded, just keep in some folder where you can easily access it. Now execute this. It will start installing Java 8 on your machine. Give the path of the installation directly, or you can change. asking for a destination folder. Click next. Now you can see Java SE is successfully installed, and click you can close this. Now open control panel and search for environment variables. You can add it system environment variables, user variables, java underscore home. Just verify the path and copy this path and go to the Anypoint Studio folder where you have extracted the file, and go open the Anypoint Studio configuration settings file. After VM, just replace the path of your java aw.exe. It should be C drive program files, whatever the installation directory you have. Now save and close this file. Now you can open the application Anypoint Studio. It will ask you the option or path for storing the workspace. So you can create a folder and give the path of the workspace. In this folder, all your projects or integration will store locally, and click on launch button. It will launch the Anypoint Studio. Once Anypoint Studio is launched, it will give you pop-up for updates available. You can simply close that. Now click on file. You can see various options available there. Now click on new project, and give the name of the project. I'll say I will give day 1 dash sample, and then click on finish. So once your project is launched, you can see a project explorer where you can see a configuration file, mule configuration file with the name of the project, which is XML file. You can also see a pom.xml file, which is a project object model file, which contains all your configurations and dependencies information. You can see various folder for resources, unit test cases, and you can see your default modules, which is HTTP and socket modules, which comes by default when you create a new project. You can see source and targets folders. So this is the complete package explorer of your project. In between you can see a canvas where you can drag your operations from the mule palette, and the right side you can see mule palette. You can see modules and different operations. You can search modules. You can search for flow and drag onto the canvas. So you can see event source and event processor and error handling. So we can drag and drop one of the listener operation into the source. So source is the starting point for your flow. But if you try to drag listener into the process, it will not allow you to drop it. So for source, it's a triggering point. So when any trigger happens on any event, so on new file or upload file, also it's a event. So event source on new file and upload file, if you drop in process, it will not allow you to drop because it is a beginning event or a starting event. You can add more modules by clicking on add modules. You can see various modules available. You just need to drag and drop these modules into the module list, and it will bring the module in the list, and you can see various operations available for that module. Now you can drag and drop module operation on the canvas inside the event processor or event source based on the requirement. This concludes the video for MuleSoft Learning Series episode 1. Thank you and keep learning. Stay tuned for more videos.